Hi, Aaron. This is that average growth rate assignment that you just emailed me about that I haven't marked you for yet. Okay, so what's on this assignment is there's a chart right here with all the numbers filled in for uh, boys and girls, length and weight, and the it's for instead of just during the baby years, it goes all the way up to age 20. And so up here it'll give you the years, and then right underneath it, it will tell what the months are. So you'll notice that here it says boy length, height in centimeters, girl length, height, or stature, it's in centimeters. Then it's boy weight in kilograms and girl weight in kilograms. So down here below, here's what you need to be filling in. These are the average rates. So what you need to do here, for example, on this cell right here, is figure out what's the boy's average growth rate in kilograms per month. Okay, so what you do, and all these steps, by the way, are told right down here. Steps 1, 2, 3, and 4. It says for number 1, take the later measurement minus the early measurement. All right, so this is boy weight. So I'll go up here to where it says boy weight, and I'll look at the time. So this is 3 months, this is 0 months. So I'm going to take the boy weight at the later time, 6.4, and I'm going to subtract 3.4. So right here in this cell, if you want to do it on the cell or if you want to do it on a calculator first, that's fine too. So what you're going to basically do is take 6.4, because that's the later one, minus 3.4. All right. Now, when I figure out what that answer is, I can hit enter to figure out that answer. All right, the answer is 3 kilograms. Okay, so the baby grew 3 kilograms in 3 months. So once you have that number, you're just gonna divide it by 3. So in order to do that if you want, what I would do is I'd just go equals 3 divided by 3. Like I said, you can just do this on a calculator if you want. But there's the answer, 1 kilogram per month. Okay, so on the next one for the boy, from 3 months to 6 months. Okay, so I'm going to look at his weight at 6 months, which is 7.9. So I'm going to equals 7.9 minus, okay, now what's his weight at 3 months? Well, the 3 months is 6.4. 6.4. Now I'll see what the answer, I'll hit equals, and that tells me what the answer is. Okay, it's 1.5. In other words, he grew 1.5 kilograms in 3 months. So now equals. Now, the way I'm going to know that I do 3 months is because what's 6 minus 3 is 3 months. So I'm going to take equals 1.5 divided by 3. It's not always 3 months. Some of these other ones are more. So here's your answer is 0.5 kilograms per month. All right, now let's look at this next one. From 1 year to 2 years. Okay, so 1 year, the baby or child is 12 months. 2 years old is over here in this column, and the baby is 24 months. So let's look at the different weights. Okay, so I'm going to take the later weight, which is 12.2, minus the earlier weight. Notice I'm skipping a column here, and that's fine. 12.2 minus 9.4. So, and you could do this on a calculator. I'm just doing it this way so I can show you. Equals 12.2 minus 9.4. All right, and I get 2.8. Now I'm going to say equals 2.8 divided by, now I'm going to take what is 24 minus 12. And I'm going to do that in my head. 24 minus 12 is 12. So I'm going to take that and divide it by 12. And there's your answer, 0.23 repeating. You can just leave it just like that. Okay, so now I'm going from 2 years to 6 years. All right, that's 72 months, and 2 is 24. So when I subtract, I'm going to take 72 minus 24 for the second part. But first you do the weights. Okay, so the weights go first. So I'll type in equals. All right, what's the weight at 6 years old? 21 kilograms minus 12.2. So equals 21 minus 12.2. And I'm going to hit enter, and it's 8.8. All right, now here's where we have to be careful. I'm going to go equals 8.8. So I'm going to take that difference, which is 21 minus 12.2, and I'm going to divide it by something here, 72 minus 24. So I'm going to even do it this way, 72 months minus 24 months. But notice that I put parentheses around that. So what happened to my formula? Lost it. Let's try that again. Escape. Yeah, I guess it came in. It went in. Okay, so look up here to the left-hand corner. It was 8.8 divided by 72 minus 24. And there's my answer down here, 0.1833. Okay, so that's how you need to fill in. You said that they were filled in, but they aren't. So these rows, numbers 12 or 13, 14, 19, and 20 are still needing to be done. So you'll have to pay attention to whether it's a boy or girl and whether it's weight or